So good morning ma'am, I'm Sherwin Greenhia. So now I'm gonna do the dynamic stretching. So now I'm gonna start with the knee to chest. So you're gonna slide bend the knee to your chest. And I'm gonna do this from left to right. And I'm gonna do this for 10 to 15 reps. Six. So next, I'm gonna do the open hips. So I'm gonna also do this in 15 to 10 reps. So we're gonna do this from right to left. So next, we're gonna do the high kick. So you're gonna do this, you're gonna kick as high as you can. So next, we're gonna do the leg swing. We're gonna do this for like about 15 to 30 seconds. We're gonna do this from left to right. So this stretching is more used in some sports like basketball.